Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. If you hear a dog without seeing it but know it is a dog, this is an example of blank. Mental restoration, confabulation, remembrance, recognition. Reconstructive memory. A is memory that has been simplified, enriched, or distorted depending on individuals' experiences and attitudes. B is the act of filling in memory gaps. C are conceptual frameworks a person uses to make sense of the world. If someone cannot remember a story correctly but fills in the gaps with incorrect information, this is called A, confabulation, B, misinterpretation, C, amnesia. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. People use blank to help them make sense of the world around them, such as an apple being red, a fruit, and sweet to eat. Groupings, sensory information, schemas, eidetic memory. Children who have a photographic memory are said to have this: A, working memory, B, eidetic memory, C, dispositional memory. If you take a test in the same room you studied in, this may help you perform better on the exam. This would be an example of A, state-dependent learning, B, social-emotional learning, C, test location accuracy. Decide if the statement below is true or false. If that statement is false, correct the highlighted word to make the statement true. Memories may fade and disappear over time, which is known as dismissal. True, false. How does interference impact memories? A memory may be blocked or erased by previous or future memories. B, a person may not remember things because of a brain injury. C, allows a person to choose what memories they remember or forget. A loss of memory that may occur after a blow to the head or as a result of brain damage. A, amnesia. B, Alzheimer's disease. C, Bright's disease. Explain a way from the lesson that you can improve your memory. You may use the audio option to record your answer.